Hello guys, now it's part third of Rubik's Cube. So in this, as you can see, the other two part layers are completed. Now we will solve third layer. Okay, so in this layer we have three conditions. Right now there is one condition when the yellow color are in line. Okay, there are other two conditions which I will discuss later. So for this, first what we have to do is just this portion we will rotate it clockwise like this. Okay, then we will apply right hand algorithm on it. Okay, and then we will anti-clockwise it. Okay, so what we done here, we have to make a cross of yellow color. Okay, now this is the second condition where only the center is yellow and others have different color. So to solve this, first we have to do perform a clockwise shifting of this and then right hand algorithm once and then again anti-clockwise. Now we have a right angle, so that is the third condition. So to solve this we have to rotate the two parts along. Okay, so first we and clockwise rotate this like this and then we will perform a right hand algorithm. Okay, and then we will anti-clockwise again rotate both. Okay, so now as you can see we have our cross now. So now we will get back to our first condition. Okay, so next we will check the corners that they should be in right center. Like here is orange, orange, green, green. Okay, now we will check other corners. Here red, red, blue, not matched. Now red, red, green, not matched. Okay, but here orange, orange, blue, blue. So there are two corners which are in line are not matched. So if this type of problem occur, we will apply an algorithm in which first we will do right hand algorithm 3 times and then shift it right side and then apply left hand algorithm 3 times. Okay, so I will start 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I will shift it right and then apply left hand algorithm 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now the corner problems will be solved. We just rotate it here, red, red, blue, blue, red, red, green, green, orange, orange, green, green. So the corner problem is solved. Now we will go the opposite side of this. Now we will check, like here are two corners which are not yellow. So we will hold this like the bottom right of yellow should be here. Matlab yellow should be at bottom right. Okay, so here it is. Now we will apply right hand algorithm and we have to check like this. The yellow is now down, so we will rotate only the last layer, not the full whole cube. We have to hold it as it is, otherwise it will not work. Okay, now we will apply right hand algorithm again. As you can see, whole colors are same. Now we will check this condition. Now the next thing is, now here we can see the one part of it is solved and the others are not. So this type of problem we have to apply another algorithm in which first we will go from this side, we will apply right hand algorithm one time, then left hand algorithm one time, then right hand algorithm 5 times, and then left hand algorithm 5 times. Okay, so you have to remember it, you can write it. Okay, so first we apply uh, I will have to discuss one more thing. There can be a situation when all the edges have different color, like here is other color, but in this we have same. So if that type of problem occur, we have to apply this algorithm what I just described 2 times. Okay, so first we will deal with this. Now I will do right hand algorithm one time, then left hand algorithm one time, then right hand algorithm 5 times. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now left hand algorithm 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So as you can see, the Rubik's cube is solved. Okay, so in my next video I will describe some other cases. Okay, thank you.